Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the relation and we have discussed the terms domain, range, codomain, image, pre-image, representation of the relation, definition of the relation and type of the relation. In this lecture, we will sort out the numerical problems from exercise 2.2. So first is, there is a set A is given as. Question first. In this question, given that there is a set of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 14. एक सेट गिवन है जिसके अंदर 14 एलिमेंट है 1, 2, 3 अप टू 14. क्वेश्चन है डिफाइन ए रिलेशन आर फ्रॉम ए टू ए. अगर रिलेशन की बात हो रही है तो इसका मीनिंग है कि यहां पर ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बनाना जरूरी है. Relation formed by the ordered pair, but ordered pair formed by the Cartesian product of two sets, but set is only one. So it means A multiply with A itself to form the ordered pair. अगर यहां पर एक ही सेट है और रिलेशन की बात हो रही है तो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर तो बनाने जरूरी है. तो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बनाने का इसका मतलब यह है कि A को ही A से क्या करें, मल्टीप्लाई करें. So, to form the ordered pair taking the Cartesian product of set A itself by A, so we get the ordered pair as 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and so on, and last ordered pair will be 14 and 14. So, there are 14 into 14, 196 ordered pair we will get in this Cartesian product. So, इतने ordered pair हमें यहां पर मिलेंगे. Now, we want to form a relation which is defined by as in question. So, R is a relation which have ordered pair x, y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. And x and y both are the element of set A. So, there are the 169 ordered pair are there in A cross A. So, filtered all ordered pair from A cross A which follow this condition. हमने क्या करना है, फिल्टर करना है. 196 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर हमारे पास है, उन 196 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में से उन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर को फिल्टर करना है जो इस प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. इस प्रॉपर्टी का मीनिंग है y इज इक्वल टू 3x. दैट इज select all those ordered pair from A cross A in which the second element is third times of the first element. जो पहले का 3 times है, ऐसे ordered pair यहां से select करें जो इसको follow करें. तो अगर आप select करना चाहें तो यहां से कर सकते हैं. One ordered pair is 1 and 3. When we take x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 3. Second is, when we take x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 6. When we take x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 9. Next, when we take x is equal to 4, then it is 12. Or next, when we take x is equal to 5, so this one is 15. But 5, 15 ordered pair is not applicable in this Cartesian product. So this will be the last ordered pair. So, when we filtered all these ordered pair of A cross A which are follow this condition, so we get only these 4 ordered pair. So इस रिलेशन के अंदर केवल 4 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने y इज इक्वल टू 3x को फॉलो किया है. तो ऐसे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर इसके अंदर, तो 196 में से केवल 4 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है जिसमें दूसरा एलिमेंट पहले एलिमेंट का 3 टाइम्स है. सो दिस वन इज द रिलेशन. दिस फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड रोस्टर फॉर्म. ये हमने इसकी रोस्टर फॉर्म लिखी है रिलेशन की. अब क्वेश्चन क्या है, राइट डाउन इट्स डोमेन, कोडोमेन एंड रेंज। तो एक तो यहां से आप निकाल सकते हैं, एक एरो डायग्राम भी आप बना सकते हैं। अगर एरो डायग्राम आप देखें तो दिस वन इज द सेट ए, दिस वन इज द सेट ए which contain element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 14 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So ये आपको यहां पे बताया कि 1 related to 3, so 1 is related to 3, 2 is related to 6, 3 is related to 9 and 4 is related to 12. So this is a relation represented by the arrow diagram. So we want to find out the domain. Domain of R is a set which contain the element of first set or element of the first number of each ordered pair are the domain, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. जो पहला रिलेशन के अंदर ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है, जो भी पहला नंबर है वो क्या बनाएगा, डोमेन। और अगर यहां से देखना है, so all element of set first which are related to any element of set second are called domain. So these are the domain. Second is range. The second number of each ordered pair of the relation are called range, 3, 6, 9 and 12. और अगर एरो डायग्राम से देखें तो एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट सेकंड विच आर रिलेटेड टू एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट फर्स्ट आर कॉल्ड रेंज, दैट इज 3, 6, 9 and 12. And next is codomain. Codomain is the whole set second, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 14. So this one is called domain. The set second is called codomain. So very easily we can calculate the domain, range and codomain. Similarly, question number 2. Second question is, define a relation R on set of natural numbers. So first of all write down the given set, or set is a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. यहां पर रिलेशन की बात कर रहे हैं। रिलेशन की बात तब तक नहीं हो सकती जब तक ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ना हो, ऑर्डर्ड पेयर तब तक नहीं बनेंगे जब तक दो सेट का मल्टीप्लाई ना हो। So there is only one given set, so n multiplying by n. एक ही सेट है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसी को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दे। So n cross n, which have the ordered pair 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. So we get the infinite ordered pair in n cross n. So there are the infinite ordered pair in which both the numbers of each ordered pair are the natural numbers. Now, form a relation which is defined as, so R is a relation which have ordered pair xy such that y is equal to x plus 5, where x and y are natural number. जहां पर x और y दोनों नेचुरल नंबर है, तो ये हमें डिफाइन किया है। So R is a relation which have the ordered pair of n cross n and follows that y is equal to x plus 5, where x and y are natural number. So there are the infinite ordered pair in n cross n. We select all those ordered pair of n cross n which follows this. यानी ऐसे ordered pair यहां से select करें जिसके अंदर सेकंड नंबर पहले नंबर से 5 ज्यादा है। बट आगे भी कंडीशन कुछ है, नेचुरल नंबर एंड x इज लेस देन 4, और यहां पर एक कंडीशन अभी और है, x इज लेस देन 4। यहां पर केवल x के लिए लिमिट है कि वी कैन टेक x इज इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3, 4, दैट इज यहां पर x को 1 ले सकते हैं, 2 ले सकते हैं, 3 ले सकते हैं। सो सिंपली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर्म द रोस्टर फॉर्म ऑफ द रिलेशन, दैट इज we select all the ordered pair of the n cross n which follow that the y is equal to x plus 5, where x is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so the form is, first we can take x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 6. पहला ordered pair आएगा 1, 6, क्योंकि वो इसको फॉलो करना है। सेकेंड इज when we take x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 7. Third is when we take x is equal to 3, so 3 plus 5 is 8. So there are only 3 ordered pair in this relation, which follows the y is equal to x plus 5 where x is less than 4. तो केवल 3 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर हमने यहां पे फिल्टर किए हैं, जो फिल्टर हो गए हैं, चूंकि उन्होंने इस कंडीशन को फॉलो किया है, तो यही एक रिलेशन है. अगर इसका हम एरो डायग्राम यहां पर ड्रॉ करें, सो दिस वन इज द सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड सो ऑन, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड सो ऑन. और यहां पर अगर इस रिलेशन को दिखाएं, so 1 is related to 6, 2 is related to 7 और 3 is related to 8. So simply क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा है depict the relationship between roster form. So this is the roster form. We have write down the roster form and write down the domain and range. So its domain is a set which contain the element 1, 2 and 3. Or we can say that the all element of set first which are related to any element of second is called domain. Second is range. Range are 6, 7 and 8. So range is a set which contain the element 6, 7 and 8. और अगर आपने लिखना है codomain, तो set of natural number is called codomain. So this is the second question. Next is question number 3. Question 3. Question is that A be a set of element 1, 2, 3, 5. And B be the set of element 4, 6, 9. So there are two sets A and B. Define a relation from A to B by R is a relation which have ordered pair X, Y such that the difference between X and Y is odd. Difference between X and Y is odd, where X is belongs to A or Y is belongs to B. So write R in roster form. Question is write in roster form. So simply there are the two given set A and B, and we have select some ordered pair from the A cross B to form a relation. So first of all, taking the Cartesian product of two sets, because जब तक Cartesian product नहीं करेंगे ordered pair नहीं बनेंगे, ordered pair नहीं बनेंगे तो relation नहीं बनेगा. तो यहां पर पहले आप लाएं A cross B. There are the elements 1, 4 फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पेयर, पहला एलिमेंट ए का, दूसरा एलिमेंट बी का, तो ए क्रॉस बी किया 1, 4. सेकेंड ऑर्डर पेयर 1, 6. नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर पेयर 1, 9. नेक्स्ट इज 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 5, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 9. A cross B. So there are 12, 4, 3 are 12. 12 ordered pair are there. Now, we select all those ordered pair from A cross B which have follows this property. यानी the difference of these two numbers should be odd. So जब R को आप लिखें तो यहां से आप select करें. So 1, 4, the difference of 1 and 4 is 3 or 3 is even, so we have select 1 and 4. Second is 1 and 6 because difference of 1 and 6 is 5 or 5 is odd. We cannot take this because difference of 1 and 9 is 8 or 8 is not odd. दिस वन इज नॉट ऑड, डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस नॉट ऑड, तो नेक्स्ट लेंगे 2 9, बिकॉज डिफरेंस इज 7, इनका डिफरेंस आपके लेंगे तो 3 4 1, नेक्स्ट इज 3 6, next 3 9, difference is even, next ordered pair is 5 4, next ordered pair is 5 6, and 5 or 9 ka difference 4 4 is even. So all these ordered pair we have select from A cross B because which have follows this given property of this. इन्होंने सबने इस प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो किया है, तो इन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर को हमने सबको सेलेक्ट किया है, तो यही हमारे पास एक रिलेशन है और इसी रिलेशन को हम कहते हैं रोस्टर फॉर्म. इन प्रोसीडिंग दिस क्वेश्चन वी कैन ऑल्सो वेरी इजीली फाइंड आउट द डोमेन. डोमेन आर 1 2 3 and 5, first element of each ordered pair, and range are 4 6 and 9. So domain is A or range is B, and this is also called codomain. So this is the question number 3. Next is question number 4. There is a given arrow diagram in this question 4. Set P and set Q. There are some element 5 6 7, and there are some element in set Q 3 4 5. And given that 5 is related to 3, 6 is related to 4, 7 is related to 5. Question is that, show a relationship between the set P and Q. Write this relation in सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. इसको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में हमने लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन इट सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. फर्स्ट सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. R is a set which contain the ordered pair XY such that Y is equal to X minus 2, where X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. Because this is 5, when we take X is equal to 5, so Y is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. When we take X is equal to 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. और when we take X is equal to 7, तो 7 minus 2 is this. तो ये इसी फॉर्म की रोस्टर फॉर्म सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म है. सो R is a relation which contain the ordered pair XY such that Y is equal to X minus 2. तो ये यहां पे प्रॉपर्टी इन्होंने फॉलो की है. तो दिस इज द सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. सेकेंड इज रोस्टर फॉर्म. Roster form. Roster form is 5 is related to 3, the first ordered pair is 5 3, 6 4, or next is 7 and 5. So this is the roster form. And third is, what is the domain and range? So domain is a set of element of set P that is 5 6 and 7, or range is the 3 4 and 5. So this one is the domain, this one is the range, and this is also called domain. So this is a solution of fourth. Next is question number 5. In this question given that a set A 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 and 6, there are the 5 elements in the set A. Let R be the relation defined as this one. So first of all, to form a relation, पहले हमने A cross A किया, यहां पर ordered pair बने, 25 ordered pair are there in A cross A, and take a subset from A cross A by using the given property. So form a relation, or relation is defined as R, ordered pair AB, such that A and B belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. This is the given property. Again, there is a set A is given as the element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. There are the 5 elements in set A. To form a relation, first of all, form an ordered pair. तो A क्रॉस A कार्डियन प्रोडक्ट करें, ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बनाए, 25 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर यहां पर आपको मिलेंगे. फिर आपको R रिलेशन बनाना है जिसके अंदर ऑर्डर्ड पेयर A भी लेने हैं, जहां पर सेकंड एलिमेंट पहले एलिमेंट का एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल हो. तो ये हमने फिल्टर करना है. So in this case, first we form a relation in roster form. So यहां पर R को लेंगे roster form में. R is equal to first ordered pair will be 1 and 1 because this follows this condition. The second element is exactly divisible by first. Second ordered pair will be 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 and 1 6. Why? Because every number is divisible by 1. So 1 1, 2 is divisible by 1, 3 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 1 and 6 is divisible by 1. पहले 1 को लिया. Next is second order pair होगा 2 2, 2 4 and 2 6. Because these are the all those ordered pair in which second number is exactly divisible by first. 2 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 6. 2. Next, 3 3, 3 6. So this 3 is divisible by 3, 6 divisible by 3. Next is 4 4 or next is 6 6. So we have filtered all ordered pair out of these 25 ordered pair in which the second number is exactly divisible by first number. So this is the relation or this is the roster form. So question is, first part है write R in roster form. So this one is the first part. ये roster form है, roster form. Now second is find the domain. Second part is domain. So domain is the set of all first element of the each ordered pair, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. This is the domain. First 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. And next is third part, range. Range is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So we can say that the range and domain and codomain, all things are the same. तो तीनों सेट यहां पर सेम है, रेंज भी वही है, डोमेन भी वही है और कोडोमेन भी वही होगा. तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन 5. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. In question number 6, determine the domain and range of the relation are defined by, a relation is defined as x and x plus 5. A relation which contains the ordered pair in the form of x and x plus 5, where x belongs to a set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. जहां पर x की वैल्यू हम ले सकते हैं 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is very simple to form its roster form. We have taken only x. So when we write down its roster form of relation, so first we take x as 0. So when x is 0, then this one is 5. Secondly, we take x is equal to 1. So this become 1 plus 5 is 6. Third is we take x is equal to 2. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. 3, 8. Next is we take x is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is 9 or 5 and 10. So this one is the roster form of this set. Question is that write the domain and the range. So domain of this set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first element of each ordered pair form a domain. Range is a set which contains by taking the second number of each ordered pair, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We can also represent its arrow diagram. तो सिंपली सेट तो यहां पर गिवन नहीं है, तो x की वैल्यू है 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. यहां पर ले सकते हैं 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 0 is related to 6, 5, 1 is related to 6. So this one is the relation between them. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the set of domain, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the set of its range. Next is question number 7. Question 7 is, write a relation R which have the ordered pair as x and x cube, such that x is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10. So we can take x as 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are the prime numbers less than 10. So first write down its roster form. So roster form R. First we take x is equal to 2. So 2 cube is 8. Second we take x is equal to 3. So 3 cube is 27. Next we take x is equal to 5. So 5 cube is 125. And next is x is equal to 7. So 7 cube is 343. So this one is the set in roster form. So क्वेश्चन में केवल यही पूछा है, फाइंड आउट द रोस्टर फॉर्म, बट वी कैन प्रोसीड एज its domain. Domain is the set of 2, 3, 5 and 7. And range is the set of 8, 27, 125 and 343. This is the question 7. Next is question 8, in which let A be the set of x, y, z. And B be the set of element 1 and 2. So there are two given set A and set B. Set A contain x, y, z, or set B contain 1 and 2. Find the number of relation from A into B. So number of A cross B. We know that number of element of A or number of element of B, that is 3 into 2 is 6. So when we taking the Cartesian product of A cross B, so we get the 6 ordered pair of A cross B. Question is that number of the relations. Total number of relations. So we have already told you that number of relation is equal to number of possible subsets. which are equal to 2 raised to the power n, 2 raised to the power 6. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 or 2 the 32. So there are 64 relations. So we know that there are the 6 ordered pair or 6 element in A cross B, or R is the subset of A cross B. So there are the total possible subset 2 raised to the power 6, 64. So जितने subset possible है उतने ही relations possible है. तो there are 26 possible relations are there in A cross B or in question number 8. Next is question 9. Let R be the relation on Z. So we can say that given set is the Z, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. बात कर रहे हैं रिलेशन की. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर्म द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बाय टेकिंग द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सेट Z itself with Z. So when we take the Cartesian product of this one, so we get the infinite ordered pair. -3, -3, -3, 1 and 0, 1 and so on. So there are the infinite ordered pair of Z cross Z. So we select some ordered pair to form a relation which have follows the given condition as, if we select the all ordered pair in the form of AB, where A and B are integers and A minus B is an integer. A minus B is also an integer. Then find the domain and the range. So in this case, there is a set of integer is given. To form a relation, first form the ordered pair by taking the Cartesian product of the set of integer with set of integer. So we get the infinite ordered pair. Now we select all those ordered pairs in which the difference of two number, that is A minus B, is an integer. So ये हमें एक रिलेशन फॉर्म करना है. वो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर यहां से आपने सेलेक्ट करने हैं जो ऐसे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है जिसमें फर्स्ट माइनस सेकंड नंबर क्या है, इंटीजर्स है. सो दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन. व्हाई? Because we know that A minus B is always an integer, where A and B are integer. So we know that the difference of any two integer is always integer. So वैसे भी कह सकते हैं difference of any two integers is an integer. तो हम यहां पर यह भी कह सकते हैं कि डिफरेंस ऑफ एनी टू इंटीजर इज ऑल्सो एन इंटीजर. तो यहां पर जितने भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर हैं उनमें दोनों नंबर इंटीजर हैं. जब उन दोनों का डिफरेंस लेंगे तो वो हमेशा क्या आएगा, इंटीजर आ जाएगा. सो दैट इज R इज इक्वल टू Z क्रॉस Z. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन. इसको हम कहेंगे यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन. तो अगर ऐसा है तो Z क्रॉस Z, so this one is the domain or this one is the range. So domain is equal to range is equal to codomain is equal to set of integer. तो इसमें डोमेन भी इंटीजर होंगे, सेट ऑफ इंटीजर होगा, रेंज भी सेट ऑफ इंटीजर होगा और कोडोमेन भी सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स होगा. सो ये एक्सरसाइज हमने डिस्कस की है ऑन द बेस ऑफ द रिलेशन. और यहां पर हमने कैलकुलेट किया है डोमेन, रेंज एंड द कोडोमेन ऑफ द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द गिवन रिलेशन. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we discuss the functions. Thank you. Goodbye.